Welcome back to Culinary 101, back to the basics. This is episode number 7. We're talking about chicken stock. Let's go. Everybody wants to learn how to make sauces, but you got to crawl before you can walk, and you got to walk before you can run. So we're going to start at the foundation. We're going to learn how to make a great, proper stock. Chicken stock is one of the simplest stocks to make. It's incredibly flavorful. It's so versatile, and you can do it with any chicken bones that you have. I have a whole chicken and some wings, so I'm going to break down the chicken, reserve the meat for later, and then I'm going to roast those off to create more flavor and make a brown chicken stock. There is a blonde and a brown chicken stock. Blonde is just using the unroasted bones, simmering those and getting some flavor out. Great for light soups, light sauces. I like the roasted flavor better. I think it's got way more character, way more depth. The difference between a broth and a stock is that a broth is typically made with meat and a stock is usually made with bones. The stocks generally take about 4 to 6 hours, depending on how much flavor you want. And they're really simple. We're gonna start with chicken bones, then we're gonna add mirepoix, which is 50% onion, 25% carrot, 25% celery, and some garlic. Then towards the end of the cooking, I'm gonna add some thyme, some rosemary, some black peppercorns, and some coriander seeds. Let's get into it. Place your bones onto a sheet tray lined with parchment paper. Roast at 425 for 45 minutes until deep golden brown. Put those into a pot, cover with cold water. Bring up to a boil, turn down to a simmer, and skim off any funk that rises. Add your mirepoix, simmer for 4 hours. Add your black peppercorns, coriander seeds, thyme, and rosemary. Simmer for 1 more hour. Strain that through a fine mesh strainer. It's been 5 hours, and we're done. And this is amazing. It's smooth, it's rich, it's not greasy at all. It's got so much depth of flavor. This right here will cure what ails you. Now let's get it chilled down pretty quick.